I felt sick the other day, so I decided to make soup. But I'm not Italian, so I cannot make pastina soup. So I decided to make something else. Something that will not anger Italians. And I cannot wait to show you. For this recipe, you will need your Dutch oven or your soup pot. Add in whatever chicken stock you have, freshly made, in a carton, or even, in my case, powdered. Heat up that chicken stock. While it heats, let's get the vegetables. For this recipe, you will need equal amounts of yellow onion, carrots, and celery. No need to go fancy here, just roughly chopped into quarters for the onion, thirds for the carrot. As you can see, the amount of vegetables you will need is roughly 1 yellow onion, 3 medium carrots, and about 4 stalks of celery for 2 quarts of stock, which is about 2 liters. Once the stock starts to boil, it's time to add in the vegetables. Carefully, without burning yourself, add in the vegetables. Once all the vegetables are in, cover and let them cook for at least half an hour. After half an hour, your vegetables should be soft and ready to be blended. Add them to your blender or use an immersion blender. Blend it all up. Then add it back to the soup. Don't worry if the stock has evaporated, you can always add more water. This was the case for me. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. And now it's time to add the pasta. This is where we differ from our Italian friends. They use a star-shaped pasta and I used a number-shaped pasta. You can use a number-shaped pasta, alphabet-shaped pasta, or even wrist-shaped pasta. The choice is yours. For this quantity of soup, I added 2 cups of pasta. Let the pasta cook until it's done. If your soup seems to be too dry, don't forget to add more water. The pasta will absorb a lot, so make sure it has plenty of water. Once your pasta is done, we are ready to serve. For me, it took about 10 minutes. Plate that soup and enjoy. You can serve this with Parmesan cheese, bread, a dash of vitamin C in the form of a lemon juice, with some hot sauce. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends.